Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group will be present about crime rates in Malaysia. Okay, for the objective, our objective is to analyse the crime rate in Malaysia and factors contribute to it. Number one is socio-economic issues. Problems like poverty and the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic may have increased crime. Number two is environmental factors. Urban settings and certain social conditions can influence criminal activity. Number three is policy gaps. Weak or ineffective enforcement of law may contribute to higher crime rates. And another objective is to examine how external factors impacted crime rate. Number one point is changes in employment, income levels and economic stability, especially during events like the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 2 point is urbanization, population density and living condition that may create opportunities for crime. And lastly, the effectiveness of law enforcement, legal systems and government responses to social challenges.
Now for the finding, you can see from the crime rate from 2019 to 2020. You can see the increment and decrement from 2019 to 2020. Solo versus group robberies. Street robberies, solo robberies are more prevalent in street robberies with 753 cases compared to 91 group robberies. Home robberies, solo robberies are also more common in home robberies with 228 cases while group robberies stand at 218. Business robberies, group robberies are slightly higher in business robberies with 165 cases compared to 153 solo robberies. Total robberies. The table reveals a total of 1,708 robberies with a breakdown into solo 1,234 and group 474 robberies. Solo robberies constitute the majority, accounting for 72.3% of the total robberies. Group robberies represent 27.7% of the total robberies.
For the year key observation, from year 2019 versus 2020, in murder case, a general decrease in most states such as Selangor, decrease from 19 to 69. For Perak, decrease from 31 to 22, except for slight increases in Kelantan, which is from 9 to 13, and Terengganu from 1 to 3. In rape case, mixed trends with significant increases in states like Negeri Sembilan, which is from 56 to 75, and Kelantan from 73 to 108, but a slight decrease in Perak, which is from 102 to 74. In solo robbery unarmed case, a dramatic increase in Selangor, which is from 919 to 1,703, but sharp decrease in states like Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur, which is from 1,090 to 783, and Johor 328 to 479. For last case, which is gang robbery unarmed, decline across most states such as Selangor from 1,1981 to 1,126. For Perak, 382 to 125.
For state, the key observation is urbanization and population density. Both Selangor and Kuala Lumpur are highly urbanized areas with large populations. This concentration of people can lead to increased opportunities for crime as well as anonymity for criminals. Socioeconomic disparities. These areas often have greater income inequality and poverty compared to other regions. Economic hardship can push individuals towards criminal activities. Migration and diversity. Selangor and Kuala Lumpur attract migrants from across Malaysia and even other countries. While diversity can be enriching, it can also create challenges in terms of social integration and community cohesion, which can contribute to crime. That's all from our group. Thank you.